Hello guys, so I'm starting a new PC with a 4090 and Intel i9-12900K. So let's start it. This is the amazing motherboard Z790. It will be ready to upgrade for 13th gen later, so let's start it. Also I will install DDR5 Kingston 5200, Intel i9-12900KF and NVMe 1TB 980 Pro Samsung Gen 4. So like you see, the CPU installed, RAM installed, the liquid cooler bracket installed. I will use Li 360mm for this guy, and also 1TB NVMe installed, and I will add here extra 2TB as well. 9070 plus Samsung. Also adding Gen 2 2TB NVMe, like extra storage right here. Really important guys, don't forget to remove stickers from the heatsink. You will forget, then it can melt it and not working properly. This is my advice for you. The other step for 4090, of course, I need about 1000 watt power supply. I choose the case Li Lancool 215Y, two unifans 140mm. I will put them on top. So you can see this power supply has already ATX 3.0 compatibility for the new GPU, and I will show you later how it looks and the process as well. So I put motherboard to the case. Now I need to put these 10 screws to properly install it motherboard. Please guys, install all of the screws, it's important. Don't forget to install everywhere. Here, 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 and put them properly. And motherboard installed. The liquid cooler 360 degrees, I just installed it, so you can see it will be enough for this Intel i9-12900KF. Also you can see I use these two huge fans to cool down this radiator, and we have lots of space inside, just like that. So right now I'm moving to the 1000 watt power supply thermal take with ATX 3.0 to install later 4090, stuff like that. Cables is done. Moving to the 240mm Li unifans on top. So the two unifans is ready, and we're moving to the graphic card connection. Hi guys, so 4090, it's coming. It's PNY. I will install right here. It looks like this right now. So next step, I will connect the power cable and screw it right here. Look at this, it takes 3 slots, huge. And this is the special connection, ATX 3.0 from NVIDIA. NVIDIA made their own connectors. I will use this cable. You can see it as like a special, and we'll see what's going on later. Guys, right now here is, oh my god, I will arrange all of the cables because I need to test it first. So, and I'm installing this guy, 1000 watt with a new NVIDIA connector. You can see it's the 1000 watt and power GF3. So all of the cables is connected. Now the moment of the truth, to try it if it works. All right, let's see if it will start. Here we go, it started. I'm waiting for boot. Sorry for some garbage on my table. So it will boot. If it not boot, it will boot. It will not. It will boot. It will not. The RAM is initializing right now. See, the first boot was you. Kinda scared. I'm not scared, but joking. 1, 2, 3. Sometimes you need to do BIOS update before it started, but we'll see. Here we go! It started. I will fix it everything. This is just about the preparation stuff. All of the storage is 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte is here. Okay, now I will test it. Hi guys, so PC not done yet. I'm installing drivers right now, updates for Windows, and but it looks like this. Pretty hot, I think, right?